Hi, this is me again, Mr. Zamora, and I am here to explain 8.E.5, multiply and divide rational numbers. Okay, for any of you who don't know what a rational number is, well, a rational number is any number that can be written as a fraction. Okay, if you cannot write a number as a fraction, it is not a rational number. So rational numbers also include whole numbers or integers. Okay, remember the difference between a whole number and an integer is that a whole number is positive and integer can be either positive or negative. All right, so let's start. Let's multiply these two rational numbers or these two fractions. Okay, so in this case we have one positive fraction times one negative fraction. First, we're going to multiply the symbols. In this case is positive times negative equals negative. Or in other words, if, same symbols equals positive, these different symbols equals negative. And for multiplication, we're going to multiply directly. I mean, the numerator times the numerator and the denominator times the denominator. Okay, so in this case it's 1 times 1 equals 1, and this is going to be our symbol for the fraction, or this is going to be the same as this line. And now 2 times 2 equals 4. So this is the correct answer. Remember, the number above times the number above, the number below times the number below. Numerator times the numerator, denominator times denominator. Okay, so we submit our answer and that's it. So now we have a division. Okay, but it's the same rule, or the same rule applies about the symbol rules. Okay, so in this case, different symbols, we have positive and negative, so the answer is going to be negative. But because this is a division, we are going to multiply, but it's going to be a crossed multiplication. So the numerator is going to be multiplied times the denominator. Okay, so in this case it is 1 times 3 equals 3 divided, or just the fraction symbol, the denominator times the numerator. 4 times 2 equals 8. So we're always going to try to simplify or to reduce our fraction, but in this case it cannot be reduced. Okay, so we submit our answer. So if you think that you're ready to start your own exercise, you can do it. You can just stop the video and go straight to your exercise, to your assignment. Otherwise, if you think that you need to see more explanation, you can stay. Okay, so again, different symbols, the answer is going to be negative. It is a multiplication, so the multiplication is directly 3 times 5 equals 15, divided by 5 times 6 equals 24. So it can be reduced if we divide by 3 both numbers. So 15 divided by 3 equals 5, and 24 divided by 3 equals 8. Okay, we submit our answer, and yeah, great job. I am going to do 2 more. Okay, and I'm going to let you by yourself. Okay, so this is negative divided by negative. The answer is going to be positive. Okay, but it is a division, it has to be crossed. So 1 times 6 equals 6. 8 times 1 equals 8. So it can be reduced and the answer will be 3/4. What happens if you leave it like that? It is going to take it as a correct answer, but I really recommend that you reduce your answer. Okay, we submit it and it is well done. I didn't reduce it and it took it correctly, but I recommend always to reduce it. Okay, so multiplication, both positive, so the answer is going to be positive. 2 times 1 equals 2. 5 times 4 equals 20, so it can be reduced by dividing by 2. So 2 divided by 2 equals 1, 20 divided by 2 equals 10. So this is our final answer. We submit it, and that's right. Okay, let me help you do this very last one. Okay, so negative multiply by negative equals positive, so I don't need to write the positive symbol. I just can just not writing it, and it is a multiplication, so it's directly 1 times 1 equals 1 divided by 2 times 2 equals 4. So this is our answer. We submit it. Okay, continue until you get your daily limit reached, or that, and take a screenshot and upload your work in the corresponding assignment. Okay, if you have any questions, let me know via private message, and have a nice day. Bye bye.